Hey guys, welcome back. This tutorial you will learn two easy way to delete apps on your phone. So let's jump right in. First thing first, take your phone, go to settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down slowly, locate the apps or application button, tap to open them. After this page is open, scroll through the menu, find the app if you want to delete. For example, I am delete this one with the app my phone. So tap on it to open the next app info page. After that, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can find the uninstall button. Tap on it once, then confirm by tap on it again, and you have successfully deleted the apps your phone. However, if you decide to another way to uninstall apps your device, don't worry, this method is available. To do it, simply go back to home screen, then swipe the app door, scroll through the page, find the app if you want to uninstall. For example, I am uninstall this Instagram Lite, so tap on hold it. From the pop-up menu, select uninstall, then confirm by tap uninstall again, and that is how you can easy way to delete apps on your phone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.